Kanina nabanggit ni Pangulo dun sa Talk to the People that he will require a clearance from his cabinet secretaries before attending yung Senate hearing. No? Will the President issue an EO like that of EO 464 ni President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo that prevents cabinet secretaries from attending the Senate probe?
Well, you know, he could. And of course, we have the decision in NERI where the Supreme Court said na talagang hindi dapat i-contempt kapag hindi po pina-attend sa isang hearing ang isang miyembro ng gabinete alinsunod po sa pag-uutos ng presidente mismo because they are alter egos of the president. So there's legal basis for that kung gagawin po yan ng presidente.
So are we expecting, sir, na sa mga next hearings, hindi na po papayagan yung mga CABSECs that will be invited?
I cannot say for certain, no? But the president did mention that possibility.
All right. Sir, just dun na lang sa guidelines for the alert level system and sa granular lockdowns. I'd just like to clarify, I'm not sure if I missed it, pero yung ayuda po ba, food supply lang, wala pong cash aid for areas that will be placed or places that will be placed under granular lockdown?
Sang-ayon po dun sa shared responsibility na napagkasunduan ng mga mayors at ng DSWD, food supplies po ang ipamimigay sa mga areas na subject to granular lockdown.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.